All right, so the battery went dead in my phone earlier, and I don't want to leave you guys hanging like that. So have it all installed, and back here, you may not be able to see it, but there is a bolt that back up in this area that helps secure that to it. So this here now is very, very secure, no movement at all. This is nice and tight on here. This is nice and solid. Put the clamp on here. These are on. When I paint this and paint this and paint this here, of course we'll paint these black because I got to make it all look pretty nice underneath there. Try to find an orange cone. I think an orange cone will look cool with that. Anyway, this is what it looks like now. I'm not sure, maybe you guys want to hear it. Things never really sound good on video, but let me get the key from over here and I'll start it up. I'm going to be doing a remote start soon, so I'll do the video on the remote start on here when I install that. That was a pretty straightforward. Alright, so put the duals back here. Gonna start, put the duals in here. Turn that off. And up here, I took it out earlier, so mind you now that I have the cold air intake on here. I have the useless spacer, but it is up in there, the throttle body spacer. I have the muffler with the two pipes coming out the rear now on here. The aftermarket one, bolt on. And I also have, I installed this just the other day. Hopefully you can see it. Let's see here. Can you see it? It is the, you see that? There you go. That's the pedal commander. So I installed that and I took it out today. So the day I took it out and the first time I drove it with this all on there, and oh my goodness. I know people have had their negative things to say about the pedal commander, but this thing just took off. It was nice. It was like, it just freed it up like I had it re-geared or something. But it was nice. It was nice. I'll tell you, I love it. I'm keeping that pedal commander. There's no way I'm getting rid of that. I really can't say the difference between the pedal. Well, I guess I can. I'm going to turn the pedal commander off one day and compare my acceleration from stop in comparison to turn it on. So I want to be able to see what was the difference of just, say, the cold air intake with the muffler is really just for sound. So, but I'll say for power-wise from the cold air intake. Now from sound-wise, driving with this cold air intake and that muffler, it was roaring. It was a roar sound, and it was nice. I love that. Just from that alone, whether I got any power gains off of it, I don't care. Just from sound alone, I love it. Just sitting here at idle right now, it's really hard to tell anything. When you go back there, you can hear something from the exhaust side. But I tell you, I love it. So that's where we are. I'll be doing a video soon as far as installing the remote start. I'm going to be putting on back here. You'll see I took my fifth wheel off back here. It's because I'm putting on the who is it called? The Smitty built angle tire carrier, where your tires at on a 45-degree angle. Of course, not with this type of top on here. You have to have like the best top or something like that on there. But for the summertime, when my top is off, I want that 45-degree angle tire. So I'm going to be installing that soon. So I'll be doing a video on that soon. I just replaced that one out earlier when my battery went dead. From the open one, I got this one off Amazon, which is, you know, it's cheesy. I mean, it's not cheesy, but it has the lock. It's really well made. I think I paid $21 for it, and I just had to pop the other one off, put this one on. It's very solid, very well made. Highly recommend it. I love it. I did have to put like some of that double-sided tape up in here, but it's great. I didn't feel like doing a video on that. I kind of wish I would have now. But either way, I have some more coming down the line. I did do the screen up in here, the big screen, and I love it. I tell you right now, I love it. It took me a while I thought I was going to send it back. It was just a learning curve. It is a big learning curve with this one right here, but now, yeah, I have no issues with it. I love it. It sounds great. And I did put the, you can't really see, but as far as the sound bar up top up there, I put the better speakers in up there and stuffed it with the baffling to help out with the sound as well. I'll go over a few of those things. My wife ended up getting me that. I think I went over that right there, but that's with the lights on. You can see the lights on now. But I love this right here. I still got to hook up all the lights to it and everything, but I love that. So a few other more videos coming down the pipeline. All right, guys.